Hello everyone, it's Dragana at Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is another 15 minutes crafting session and today's challenge is a bookmark. I'm going to use the freebie that I've shown you in the previous episode, which is this one. I've used parts from this page, but I didn't get a chance to use any of these and I really wanted to, so I'm going to use them today. If you want to know more about how to get the freebie, please watch the previous episode. I will link it down below. All right, I was thinking of using this paper. This is rust dyed paper, stenciled with texture paste. It seems to me that it's just right for a bookmark. I'm going to just cut it here like that, and then maybe here. I don't need the whole thing. Maybe I can just fold it. I can't really press too hard because of that texture paste. I guess I can just glue it together. That side is not very attractive. Right. I'm going to leave that side as it is. I'm going to just glue a few things on the other side. I don't want to cover any of that. I like it as it is. I'm going to stamp some text. Now from here, I think I'm going to just cut all of these little signs. And one of these. How long is it going to take me to cut these? I could have cut them ahead of time, but then I felt like that would be cheating. Love these signs and this damaged wood. Crunchy look. Two more to go. And the last one. I'm gonna grab this. Actually, this one here seems to be just right. This image is also free. It's from the Happy Holidays kit. maybe cut here. I'll just glue these randomly. This is a lot of fun. Just doing one thing. And I find it really relaxing. Even that on its own would be nice. Actually, maybe we can cut one more. I really like this small one. And if you wonder about these words, why did I choose them? Well, it is symbolic, but it also describes the nature of the plants, especially the ones that grow in the pots. Growing in pots, it's not their natural habitat. Their roots abound, and yet they manage to grow and survive and flourish. I like that. So I'm going to apply the glue here, the top it. These become like little pockets. Same here. It would be a shame not to do the sewing on this one. So I'm going to go and quickly do that and then I'll come back. All right, that took less than a minute. I love it. I've got some things here that I might use to complete my bookmark. I think these would look nice as ends. Ribbon clamps. Okay, got this little charm with a bee. I think I want that over here. So I might just open this jump ring. Attach it here. The bee. That's also with a bee. And I'll just punch a hole here. Let's add another jump ring. I think I need one more. Do I have it? That works well. I won't be needing any of these. I'll just try it out and see. If it's not good, we don't have to use it. Just cutting loosely. That bit off there. Like so. Sometimes you do the whole project, you think of everything, and then just one last thing, and you just can't find the perfect fit for it. But we found it. Perhaps it would be nice to just maybe do this, just to make these stand out a little bit more. It looks better, doesn't it? Let's add here a dot, as if there was a nail holding it. I'm gonna add just a line here. Looks like a shadow, I think. Just gonna go with the white Posca pen. Just the top bit. Okay, let's take a look. It's just a little bit bigger than my journal. I can't close it because the paint is still fresh, but I'm super happy with it. It would also make a really great belly band, I think. Anyway, I hope this was inspirational for you. Hope you find time to do a little bookmark today for yourself or for someone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.